Okay, still on conversion of numbers. Now we have expanded to a level where we want to convert from one base to another. Now this is the question. It said convert 8 base 10 to a number in base 2. That means like this one now. In my the next question I'm going to solve a question whereby maybe a base was not given. What do you do? But in this case now, it's already in base 10. Whenever it is in base 10, you follow the prime factor method. Prime factor method. So it said convert 8 base 10 to a number in base 2. The base 2, you want to convert it to what? Base 2, from base 10 to base 2. This is what you're going to do. You start by using the prime factor method. This is called prime what? Factor method. You bring your 8. You are converting it to what? Base 2. Remember, it's already in base 10. Assuming you have a base here, maybe that is not in base 10, and you want to convert to another base, there's another pattern you used to solve. But in this case, let's solve this one. Now, our next example, I'm going to show you where when base 10 is not given, maybe base 8, base 5, to be converted to another base again, okay? Now, this automatically, base 10 always automatically take you to prime factor method. Now, since you are converting it to base 2, you bring 2 here. How many times can 2 go to 8? Is 4. Remainder what? Remainder what? Remainder 0. Yes. How many times can 2 go to 4? That is 2 times what? We give you 4. It will be 2 times 2. So there is no remainder anywhere after your multiplication. So you have 2, remainder 0. Can 2 go to 2? Yes. How many times? 2 times 2, right? 2 can go to itself once. So you have 2. You have what? You have 1, remainder what? 0. Can 2 go to 1? It cannot, right? So you have 2. Here will be 0. Remainder what? 1. So you take your arrow from the down to the up. And you now write, you are taking your arrow from this 0 to this value here. So you have successfully, this implies that I have base 8 base 10 is equal to 1 0 0 0. That is 1 0 0 0. The remainders. Base what? Base 2. This is how you convert from base 10 to a binary number to base 2. So it is very simple. Let me just come again. We said you convert using prime factor because it is in base 10. 2 goes to 8, 4, 2 goes to 4, there's no remainder. 2 goes to 4 is 2, no remainder. 2 goes to 2 is 1, no remainder. 2 goes to 1, it can't. That is why I wrote the 0. Then, since it cannot go, all right? Since it cannot go, you have just what? Just 1, all right? There is another format I will use to explain this 0 aspect of it, okay? So it can't go, all right? All right, so this is how we solve it. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you.